Congrats.
Chipotle tests new all-electric restaurants with rooftop solar panels and EV chargers. Chipotle goes green, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
When's the last time you were over there?
It's been a while, although I feel like I'm due for a visit. I like Chipotle.
Yeah, so do I.
Yeah.
I was there the other day.
Huh.
And...
you got a bowl or a burrito?
No, I got a bowl, actually.
Okay.
I don't know why.
You usually get burritos?
I was feeling more civilized. Yeah, I get burritos.
They look like a cannonball, though.
That's fine. That's why I get them. I got a bowl. I was feeling civilized. I was going to use a fork. I don't know what that was about.
Okay.
And they got this one, the queso that they sell, that like white colored queso.
Okay.
Me and my kid were just downing buckets of that stuff. No, not buckets, but you know what I'm saying? You get the tortilla chips going over there as well.
Yeah.
So I'm like you. It's just a good time. And they want to be part of this modern thing. It's like we were showing off the other day when the Subway was going to be at the rest stop and you were going to charge and have the Subway.
Uh-huh.
And I've been thinking that for a while. It's a huge differentiating factor. If you can figure out how to work it with your landlord, throw some EV chargers over there, even generate some of that power of your solar or something, any of these little differentiating factors, because there's so many places to eat.
Mm-hmm. And I think Chipotle is like a good restaurant for this kind of test because people hang out at Chipotle.
And you want to know what happened last time I was there?
Huh?
It was like Tesla City.
Oh,
it's just all Teslas parked out front.
Really?
So I think there's
that's a good sign.
An EV Chipotle overlap in the customer base. Does this have a drive-through? I didn't. It kind of. No, maybe not.
No.
I know. This is how you get in and out. You got the patio. You got the solar array up top. I don't see where the EV chargers go.
Maybe here.
Maybe in the next image down. Give us an image of the chargers in your mock-up like you spent all this time. Anyway, so they're gonna harness the power of the sun, give it back to you in your car so you can come back and forth and be the best customer they've ever seen. Plus, they got to keep up with Taco Bell because they were like having
they're very futuristic
elevators in Minnesota or whatever it was. We were supposed to go. I don't remember where it was.